Hey, what's up, everybody? Look, it's my neighbor. Ew. Ew. Notice already, I'm taking the wrap off. I started yesterday, it was nice and warm, and the sun is actually hitting that side of the car pretty good. My sleep schedule's all messed up, so I don't really go to bed at a reasonable hour. So I'm going to try to get as much off this side today as I can, the hood. Might not get it all done today. I might back the car in so that tomorrow the sun will be hitting this side and it'll come off pretty easy. Here, let me show you guys. So there, I'm gonna leave the back bumper black. I think that looks pretty cool. And then I'm gonna, you know, clean up the wrap around here and everything. But I mean, yeah, nice and red again. Of course, it's got the residue and shit on it, so I'm gonna have to do a deep clean and everything like that. But I started ripping off the hood too, but last night or yesterday, but it was starting to get a little cool. The car wasn't as hot as it was because I don't have anywhere to use a heat gun or anything, so I'm kind of doing it the poor man's way. But yeah, we're taking it off. I figured let's do it before winter hits and it gets too cold to even think about it. So should be I got plans coming, you know. I got something on the way already. So I just found something really shitty. Look at that. You see that? That's where they were using that tool to tuck the wrap, and they chipped off my front bumper paint. Are you kidding me? Look at that. I mean, really? I'm actually really pissed. I can't believe that. I can't believe that. He's ready again. Dirty. Like I said, if you know how to get that that adhesive off easily, hook your boy up and let me know, please. That would be great. I already have the new thing coming in. It's already been ordered, so that's going to be a surprise. I got to get the badge reattached on the front. I don't know what they use. They use just regular 3M tape or what, but I'm going to have to figure that out. I'm probably going to re-dip the badges that I want to put on, so specifically the front badge. Yeah. I also need to figure out, like, for some reason my car doesn't do that very well, and if you guys have any solutions for that, hit me up, please. Like I said, I'm trying to get this car in tip-top shape. I like the carbon fiber, I like the red, and I like the black on the back. I'll probably keep it like that for a while because I like the way it accents. But yeah, there it is. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and then hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point, and I'll see you when we do our next thing.